For 20 years, I felt trapped in a never ending cycle, suffocating under the weight of frustration. My mental health teetered on the edge, threatening to collapse under the strain. But in the depths of despair, I found my solace in a profound realization I wasn't alone. Taking a deep breath, I broke free from the chains of monotony and embarked on a journey of self discovery, reclaiming my life and rewriting my story. Sometimes all it takes is a pause to rediscover your worth and spark transformation. Take a moment to breathe, reassess, and renew your habits. Nurture your body and mind, and watch yourself bloom into a healthier, more radiant version of you.